No more tricks from you. No more escapes. You're to stay here, safe and sound, behind these nice, thick walls. Better off if you ask me. The world outside is a dark and cold one for a woman.
When are we going to England?
You fool. This is England.